Introducing the VR Welding Training System, a cutting-edge simulator that brings real-world welding into a safe, immersive virtual environment. Trainees can practice stick, MIG, and TIG welding with realistic torch motion, sound, and visual effects, all without consuming materials or generating fumes. Every movement is captured in real time, providing instant feedback on arc length, travel angle, speed, and bead quality. Instructors can monitor performance, analyze data, and customize training programs for every student.